Today in the news, we got MSRP for once, furniture for gaming, and a predictable shutdown. What's up guys, I'm Snows, and this is your boot sequence. Let's get started with AMD. It's very obvious that the GPU market is in shambles right now. Whether it's from Nvidia or AMD, it's extremely hard to find a GPU to buy. Not only that, but thanks to the pandemic and the expiration of tariff exemptions, the prices are pretty insane. You can see price increases that range from $80 to a couple of hundred on some models. Well, if you want to buy your GPU at MSRP, specifically an AMD one, you're gonna have to stop looking at your favorite online and retail stores. No more Newegg, no more Fry's, no more Canada computers. You're gonna have to move that refresh button over to AMD.com. In an interview with Babel Tech Reviews, AMD's senior director, Ritche Corpus, said that the company is extending its production of reference design cards to make it available to as many gamers as possible. The best part, they will be available at SEP pricing. He also said that they would be available in the first quarter of this year, which is right now until March. Next up, we got ASUS. Now, this was leaked last week, but it's finally live. The company partnered up with none other than IKEA to make a line of ROG gaming-inspired furniture. Browsing through the website, it mostly looks like regular IKEA furniture with a few tweaks for the gamer ROG aesthetic and some changes for quality of life. Some products are also entirely new, like this case stand with wheels. Why do they call it a CPU stand though? Kinda big for a CPU. The lineup looks pretty cool, and in terms of price, I converted the yuan price to Canadian ruble, and it's actually pretty affordable. The chair, for example, is right in the price range of other IKEA chairs. No gamer tax here. Now, currently, these are exclusive to the Chinese market, but starting in October, the entire lineup will be available worldwide. Personally, I really like what's there. I might get myself that gaming chair when it comes out to Canada. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Next up, we got some bad news for the memory market. According to Digitimes, the price of memory is expected to go up between 40 and 50% by the end of this year. The increase in price is due to slowdowns in production. SK Hynix stopped making 2GB chips, leaving only 4GB modules in production, and Samsung has shrunk their production down to a third of what it used to be. The good news? Well, you don't have to worry if you're building a new system, since that price increase is for DDR3 memory. I probably should have started with that. Moving on, we got Google. We all knew that this day would come, and it was yesterday. Google officially shut down their in-house game development team for Stadia. So what did Phil Harrison have to say about that? Well, he said, given our focus on building on the proven technology of Stadia, as well as deepening our business partnerships, we've decided that we will not be investing further in bringing exclusive content from our internal development team. Thankfully though, any games that were supposed to launch in the near future will still come out. That includes, well, let me see here. Nothing. As far as we know, no Google-made games are available or even in the works. Here's what I don't get. Stadia Games and Entertainment, or SG&E, has literally been around for about a year and some change. Their game studio in Playa Vista isn't even a year old. For Google to think that they would be able to pump out fully fleshed out AAA games in that time frame is insane. They could have at least given it an extra year to see what the team could do. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the catch up. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Drop a like if you liked it, a comment if you want to talk about today's stories. As usual, you can click right here to see the latest video right here to subscribe to the channel. Stay frosty my dudes, and I'll see you on the next one.